I'll be showing you the top free apps for new Shopify stores, and this is going to be the 2025 edition. These apps are all essential ones when getting set up, as it's going to really extend the functionality of your store, and they're all completely free and super easy to set up. The first app you should get for your store is one called PopConvert. It uses pop-ups and banners to collect emails and phone numbers from visitors to help boost sales. Now this is going to be essential. It's going to allow you to collect contact information. So instead of just a user bouncing right away or viewing your products and leaving and never coming back, it gives you a chance to contact them. And so this app makes it easy to set up different pop-ups on your store and lets you brand it to match your Shopify store theme. A great way to collect information is to incentivize a customer, such as giving them a 10% off coupon if they enter in their email. It's a simple yet fully customizable pop-up, smart panel, and email editor, and it lets you grow and sync your contact list with your Shopify store. It also lets you send beautiful emails as well, friendly drag and drop editor, as well as pre-built template designs. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 12,000 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for boosting email signups, conversions, and reducing cart abandonment. The next app that's going to be essential for your store is called Judge Me. It's a completely free review app for your Shopify store. To note, there is a paid plan as well, but the free plan is super generous, giving you unlimited review requests and unlimited photos and video reviews. And this is going to be essential for your store as it's going to add social proof and credibility. This app makes it super easy to collect reviews on autopilot, and it makes it really easy to display them in your store as well. To note, if you don't have any reviews yet, and let's say you're doing something like Shopify dropshipping through AliExpress, they do have a review importer as well. This also allows you to build trust on social media, and overall, it's a really easy app to set up. And if you're looking to set this up, I have tutorial videos on my channel as well. It has 39,000 5-star reviews and a perfect 5-star rating, and merchants highly recommend this app for its easy setup and seamless Shopify integration. Next up, we have an app that's going to help increase the average order value through upsells and bundles. This app is called Essential Upsell and Cross-Sell, and it lets you maximize revenue with personalized upsells on your Shopify store. So it's going to give you things like a cart page upsell, a product page upsell, and frequently bought together bundles. It's also highly customizable, so you can match your Shopify theme. It has a perfect 5-star rating with 293 5-star reviews, and merchants highly recommend this app for boosting average order values through effective upsell and cross-sell opportunities. Lastly, there's Shopify Email, which is Shopify's own email app, and this is going to make it really easy to stay in touch with potential customers and existing customers. It has built-in content generation and optimized send time, powered by Shopify Magic. It makes it really easy to pick, create, or code your own email templates, and it lets you create beautiful emails in just minutes. And you can send these branded emails to segments of customers directly from within Shopify. And it's completely free for 10,000 emails for each month, and after that it's quite affordable at $1 per 1,000 emails. And so that should be more than enough to get you started. And according to the reviews, it has a really good 4.6 stars with 1.6 thousand 5-star reviews. According to this latest review here, this merchant has been pretty happy with Shopify Email as an alternative to the more expensive options. And overall, it's been easy to use, the templates and tools provided. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor, Profit Calc, comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, like the last 7 days. You're going to get real-time analytics and calculations, summarizing everything in an easy-to-understand dashboard. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, along with many cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress. From there, you're also going to get a lot of different analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything out for yourself. There's a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing. Before I go, I want to mention that if you're looking for a Shopify theme optimized for conversions that allows you to turn window shoppers into instant buyers, you should check out my very own Conversion Booster Pro, and it saves you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. So this concludes the video here on the best free Shopify apps for new stores in 2025. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.